What's up, Cham Fam? Stephanie here at Stephanie Chambers Daily. And I see you've made your way back to my channel one more time. So if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you never miss any of our future uploads. Alright guys, today, we're going to be going over the new steals and deals at the Dollar General. We have coupon matchups. We have clearance. You guys do not want to miss out on this. It's going to show you what you need to get this week at the DG. Lots and lots and lots of laundry detergent and softeners. That definitely no girl. I know that's what I'm going to be stocking up on. Your girl needs to stock back up on laundry detergent and softeners. Running a little bit low here. We also got razor coupons and other things that are going to make for really great filler items. Very, very cheap out of pocket. $1 or less items I'm talking about. So run and grab you a snack. Grab you something to drink. Sit back and let's save this money. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the Puffs Plus Lotion Facial Tissue. I actually used this coupon Saturday and it popped back up in my account. So, the Puff Plus Lotion Cube is $1.65. We have $1 off digital, leaving us paying only 65 cents for tissues. Great deal, great filler item. The Crest Plus Scope Toothpaste, we have that $2 off Crest coupon that is attaching to the dollar 2.7 ounce Crest Plus Scope tube of toothpaste, making it completely free, giving you $1 in overage. Great filler item, great to throw in a deal. We have the Nivea Nourishing Radiance Body Lotion, the 13.5 fluid ounce. It is $3.65. We have a $2 off digital, making it only $1.65. We also have a 3 off of 2 Nivea coupon. The Scott paper towels, I couldn't find none in my area. I don't know if y'all could find any, so I still have that $1 off digital, making the paper towels $4.50. And don't forget, we have that instant savings of when you spend $20 in paper products, you save $4 in Scott, Kleenex, Viva, and Cottonelle. Then we have Valentine's Day cards, American Greetings. We have 3 of them for 50 cents. If you got grandbabies you need to buy Valentine's Day cards for, you can get 3 of them for 50 cents because we have this $1 off 3, making 3 cards only 50 cents. Next, we have the Game Powder Laundry Detergent. It's $4.95. We have $1 off digital, making it only $3.95. Or you can get the liquid container. It works on the 32 load, the 46 ounce liquid, making it only $3.95. We have the Colgate Optic White. We have a 4 off of any 2 toothpaste. So for this Colgate, it is $3 for 2 of them. It's going to be $6. We have 4 off of 6. It's going to make 2 tubes of Colgate Optic White, only $2. Next, we have the Downy Infusions Liquid Fabric Softener. You can get the softener or the beads. They're $4.50. We have $1 off digital, making us pay only $3.50 for the softener or the beads. Next, we have Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent. This is the 37 fluid ounce, 25 load. It's $4.95. We have $1 off digital, which is going to leave us paying only $3.95 for a Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent. Your girl's definitely stocking up on detergent and softener. Gain Soft Plus Fresh Fabric Softener. This is the Freshwater Sparkle, the 48 load, the 41 fluid ounce. It's $3.95. We have $1 off digital, making it only $2.95. You can get the softener, the beads, or the dryer sheets. The Chic Classic Women's Disposable Razor is $4. We have this $3 off digital, leaving you paying only $1. Or you can get the men's, or you can get the Chic Women's that it has replaceable blades for $5, and you'll pay $2 for it. It's completely up to you. We have the Febreze, save $3 on 2 Febreze products. I'm going to go with the car clips because I sell more of those than anything. 2 of them is $6. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, leaving us paying only $3 for 2 of them. Next, we're going to jump into clearance. Our holiday plastics are 25% off. Christmas candy and bacon is 50% off. Holiday air care is 50% off. Holiday papers 50% off. Holiday gift sets are 50% off. Christmas home is 70% off. Christmas seasonal 70% off. Christmas stationery party is 70% off. And Christmas apparel and socks is 70% off. Then it just shows you a list of the holiday plastics, the storage box vertical wrap, the deco box, the large, the small, the tree bag, the wreath bag, the True Living stack and carry. This is just showing you the UPCs, what the holiday plastics are, and that they are 25% off. So if you need some storage containers right now, run out to your local Dollar General, check for their Christmas storage containers because they're all 25% off right now. Also, the holiday air care, you can stack those with digitals that we have, making them pretty much free. You're only going to pay cents for them. And then also with the holiday gift sets, the Axe, the Old Spice, all of those gift sets, the razor sets, at 50% off, you are definitely going to get your money's worth. So y'all be sure to go check out all of this Christmas decor. I'm pretty sure the penny list this week, all it is some dry pinto beans. So I did not post it yet, but if you would like to double check and go see, you can always go check out the freebie guy. He always posts the penny list. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And we're now going to do our post notification shout out. If you're wondering how to receive your very own shout out, it's so very simple. All you have to do is follow these 5 things. First, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, turn on the post notification bell button. Once you hit that bell button, go and like the video. Once you like it, then share it. Share with your social media, your mommy, your daddy, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. I don't care, just share it. Once you share it, comment down below, hashtag JamFam, hashtag done, or hashtag post notification gang. So today's shout out goes to Miss Takia, I hope I said that correctly, Thompson Stilly. I'm gonna pop your comment up. Saying girl, I used to get them like 2 or 3 years ago. I would get a 3 off 15 every once in a while, but I never get 3 off 15s, and haven't, I know, in at least 2 years. I don't know, maybe it's a regional thing. I'm not really sure why we don't get our 3 off 15s, but everybody else is getting them. Let me know down in the comments below if you get them, what state you're from. But shout out to you, girl. Thank you for your love and support. I love each and every single one of you guys. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed evening. And as we always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now, and time for baby. Remy, is that no? Let's cover your ear up, baby. Your ear's peeking out. Is that no? You got your gray no boots on, your leopard gray hat on, your leopard sweatsuit. You ready? Is that no? Say cheese. Can you say snow? Say snow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't seen these videos yet, be sure to click on them. You do not want to miss out on these amazing deals. And as I always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now.